welcome back to our channel. This is Gill. Our new winter semester is just around the corner. That means it's getting cold, isn't it? It's a crisp, clear autumn weather finally, but what has come over us after this long summer? Today's topic is about the energy crisis. If you wanna know some tips on reducing energy costs, stay tuned. As many media have addressed this issue, we know that this winter will be extremely cold. Apparently, electricity prices in Germany have roughly doubled since the start of the year and are continuing to rise. And also, gas prices are going through the roof. According to the WDR news, on the 4th September, students will receive a one-time payment. It's €200. This is part of the third relief package, and this €200 will be subsidized on the 4th December. But regardless of this grant, we should build our own survival plan from a long-term perspective. Besides these economic reasons, we have an obligation to reduce the use of resources for environment as much as possible. Have you heard about our university's Green Office? The purpose of the Green Office is to communicate with university's network for sustainability issues. So you can find environment and climate related materials and seminars on the website. So it's recommended to visit. After I moved this new house, I tried a few things to save on my energy bills. As a result, it was quite efficient. I got a new estimate. I used to pay €30, but even I got some money back, and the electricity company reduced my charge to €23 per month. So let me introduce a few things. Let's go. Turning the radiator off and on repeatedly requires more energy. However, if you don't use a radiator at all, there is a risk of mold. In this case, the removal cost and the painting cost may be further incurred. Apparently, continuing to maintain level 1.5 or 2 is good for temperature and moisture control. I use a power strip. If I leave it out of sight like the back of the desk, I would always keep it on. So I put it in a visible place and I remove unused plugs right away and turn off the power when I go out or sleep. Culturally, there are some countries that prefer warm food. I used to eat warm food for 3 meals a day in Korea. However, warm food requires a lot of energy to boil food, and also it makes a lot of dishes. Then it needs another use of water. So I try to eat cold food at least for my breakfast, and in fact, I came to like it more. I wash my hands very often, but I didn't use hot water to wash my hands. Always start with cold water. And I prepared and installed a lightning water tap, which makes it enough light to wash my hands without having to turn on the bathroom light in the evening or at night. And maybe the automatic water supply of my apartment helped me save water too. I had never used a warm water bag before, but I thought I should prepare one for this winter. And there are some options using cherry seed as well as water bag, so check them according to your preference. Okay, it's already 11 p.m. so I have to get ready to bed soon. My last tip is preparing a thick winter gown. I got this 2 winter robes last winter. It's made of fleece, so it keeps you warm during the night. And I filled up this water bottle with warm water like this. I hope my tip today will help you a little Thank you for watching. If you have any ideas for vlogs, please leave a comment. Thank you. Bye.